Yeah.
And I was just doing cardio. What are you?
Why, you don't want to be in video?
Let's just take before and after shots of the car.
What do we got going on with the M550i?
Let's see. New rear wing. Or spoiler.
Yeah.
Front lip. And new mirror caps.
You guys want to see how it looks like? I mean, the rear has a nice diffuser already. And you said the side skirts, you would get that later, right?
Yeah, I'll get the side skirts later.
Yeah, side skirts would look so good on there.
Yeah,
But,
with the back and the bottom.
Yeah. Side mirror.
Yeah, side mirror caps because the driver's side one is peeling.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So.
Oh, yeah, that needs replaced. And obviously, spoiler.
Yeah.
I completely forgot. Look how tiny the spoiler is. Is this stock?
No.
Oh.
It's not.
Come on. I mean, if the last guy, I mean, if you're gonna go spoiler, come on, guys. Look how tiny this thing is. Anyways.
Some Starbucks cups.
So that's the front lip, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah. That's gonna be nice.
I thought it was gonna be thicker, honestly.
Thicker?
Or do they all look like that?
I guess it depends on which one you get. There were a bunch of different types.
Yeah. I guess the thicker ones are probably more expensive, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And like I just kind of looked at the pictures they had of it on the car. And then just picked this one. That came with these two for like the bottom of this.
Oh, gotcha. I see what you mean.
I think that's.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Oh,
like
okay.
That. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So to cover the bottom.
That gives it a nice accent.
Yeah. I'm also thinking of getting this in black because this like silver is what used to be on here and on the side. It used to both be this like brushed
this
metal.
Silver used to be the same color as the
yeah.
grill?
So this got changed to black.
Okay.
And this also got changed to black. This also used to be that metal.
Gotcha. I'm surprised they didn't change that.
Yeah, I'm surprised it didn't. So I'm gonna get that wrapped in black.
Yeah.
Have these on there.
I never noticed.
Right. Yeah, that's the same.
Because when you stand on this side, it looks like that's black.
Right. Yeah, it does.
And then like when you come this way, then it's like, oh yeah, it's silver. Probably that's why.
It matches the badges are also not full black. They're like this kind of silver. Yeah.
Would you actually black that out or leave it?
I kind of like it.
You like that?
So, yeah.
Okay.
Kind of like it.
All right.
But again, I'm thinking if I do like all black everything, like side skirts, do the front. I'm also thinking about wrapping the roof black.
Yeah.
So maybe if I go all black accents everything, then I'd have this in black. Let's see, and then this is the new wing.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, you call it the wing? Dude, just call it spoiler. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. And then
I forgot you got to press a button on this.
Yeah.
I was like, why is it so hard to close? Oh, okay. Man, we can do the wing. I mean, not the wing. Now you got me saying wing.
I got you saying wing. These are garbage?
Yes, those tapes are garbage. If you order carbon fiber stuff and they come with these, it's never going to stick. Yeah, that's garbage. You want the 3M tape. That's why I had you buy.
Okay,
yeah. Like this. Really... Yeah, that stuff won't really work out. Dang, dude, you already like destroying it? I mean, what if like someone wants it?
You can order some from China.
I'm sure they have a ton of those.
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and back this thing in.
Yeah.
No, guys, that's not mine. That's Monica's. Yeah, dude, she just leave it like this. I'm joking.
I think we screwed up.
Hey, it's nice.
Yeah, no, this.
Dude, you could probably sell it.
This looks real good.
I don't know who would buy it though.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's so tiny. I don't know which enthusiast would.
Well,
right.
Someone who just wants to jazz up their. If you're looking for a 1-inch carbon fiber. Although it does look like real carbon fiber weave on the inside.
No, that is real.
Like.
Yeah, that's real
you can
carbon
kinda
fiber.
See the weave in there.
Yep.
So just,
That is real.
yeah.
All right, now
Fetch me a good $100.
we gotta get this stuff off.
Yeah.
We're gonna do that real quick and put some rubbing alcohol. So we get. Yeah, it's coming off pretty easily.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's pretty good. Yeah, this is coming out pretty easily. Not bad. All right, so we're getting the mirrors off now. It looks like it's 2 layers.
Yeah, it's a top and a bottom. Well,
Gotcha.
but it's connected on this side.
Okay.
Because the light doesn't go all the way through.
Gotcha.
Wow. I might actually need to pull this out too. Oh yeah, that's so good. I could get this side.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Perfect.
Yep.
Oh, that's not bad. All right, we got the cover off. So the light, we just have a few screws here. We'll pop it off.
Okay. What are you doing, filming?
Yeah, we got the mirrors on. That looks pretty good. I mean, nothing too different. I mean, the last one was carbon fiber, but
Yeah, it did add the like M style tip.
yeah, the set looks good.
I'm just gonna take the 50 off and just leave the M5. And then I could pass.
We still have the lip to put on, but, or not the lip, the spoiler to put on. Sounds good.
Yeah. What do you think I could do about the rock chips?
What rock chips?
Like this here where it's shipped out the paint.
The bumper would have to repaint it, and then you have to PDF it.
Repaint it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or you can touch it up with
Yeah.
your paint code.
Paint.
Because Amazon sells your paint code.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it like a
Hey,
spray?
can I have 3 more?
More.
Yeah.
It'd be nice if they included screws.
I don't think you'll be able to get enough. I don't see that one get hot.
Yeah. I think you hold it on there for a long time. Then by the time you move, it's gonna get cold.
Does it
A little
go
bit
all the way
more.
to the edge?
You want it all?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, right there.
That's right there at the edge.
No, keep going. So it just has to get underneath the scoop right there.
Oh my gosh, that looks so hard. Dude,
Yeah.
we don't even need the lip. I'm joking. Yeah, that looks so good. Yeah. Fitment is also really good.
Yeah. No, it's...
Now we gotta put the lip on.
I'm liking it. Yeah, I think I got it. I think I got it on me.
Alright, so we're gonna go pick up, what is it called? I think it's called...
the glue gun?
Yeah, or gum, something like that, to remove the spoiler residue, the 3M tape on the trunk. We currently have everything installed, but we'll show you guys once we get the spoiler on it, and we'll show you the lip and everything. Oh, also, dude, this thing is awesome.
What,
like,
the seat?
So I sat in this on the seat, and it like hugged my back.
It like adjusts the bolsters.
Yeah, that's right. The bolsters adjust to your back.
The seats
depending on how wide or lean your back is.
They're 16-way adjustable. So,
really?
Yeah. There's a lot of buttons.
Did you figure out how to save your memory seat?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Okay. I can pull them front ways now. Before I was only pulling it with my back because of the diffuser. You can see the diffuser. I like walking up and looking at the back.
Dude. Alright guys.
Well, no, I just gotta wait here until it closes.
This is completed. This is how the front end looks. Dude, not bad. Looks really good.
Yeah, I like it.
Now we gotta get the side skirts.
Yeah.
Dude,
no, the side skirts are completed. You're right.
Yeah, the side skirts are definitely completed. Dude, the spoiler on here, so good. Way better than the other one.
Yeah, the one that was just sitting on the deck.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, like when you were coming off the driveway, like you weren't even close to scraping.
Really?
Yeah, because I think I'm lower on mine.
Okay.
So yours, since it's just still on factory.
It didn't come up pretty high.
Yeah, it's still pretty high up, so you weren't even close to rubbing.
Oh. Ah, dang it!
You didn't get it?
No, I heard the fans go off, but they close like right when the fans go off. But I wanted to get them like turning.
If you guys are wondering, this thing closes after it's like done cooling.
What do you think? Should I lower it?
Yeah, I think. Well, honestly, what do you guys think? Should he lower it? It already looks like it's kind of lowered.
Get a higher profile tire. Do a 40 instead of a 35.
You, I don't know.
35.
Yeah.
If I did a 40, it would be like an inch taller all around.
I'm not sure if you'd be able to do that in the front because of the shocks. I'm not sure if it's gonna touch. Can't really see back in there.
Let's see.
I mean, the rear you can get away with it, but the front I'm not too sure.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would think H&R springs, honestly, if they make them for the 550i.
Okay.
Yeah. H&Rs are pretty great standard springs for lowering your car. Wow. Yeah, that's a pretty aggressive lip. Or not lip, spoiler.
Yeah. No, I think side skirts and black roof I'm done.
Oh yeah. Side skirts, black roof, maybe the gas cap or
gas
the gas cover.
Yeah, the cover. Yeah, I could do that too. Whoever does the roof could probably do the cap.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Or you could actually wrap the cap yourself.
Wrap the cap myself and then
get, it's funny how we're calling it a cap. It's
the cover.
The cover. Oh yeah, that would be so easy to wrap.
You just, yeah. I mean, I don't think they charge any more than they're already doing the roof. They already have the material for the roof.
Yeah, Yeah, if they're gonna be doing the roof and.
What do you think? Black carbon fiber or just gloss black? like gloss carbon fiber here and here, or just gloss block?
Honestly, for me, like if you have carbon fiber stuff, accents, it would just make sense to go carbon fiber on the roof. And yeah, because you could wrap it, but it's just a wrap unless you switch this out for carbon fiber. But I don't know if they have carbon fiber for that.
I'm sure someone makes it.
Yeah, I'm sure also.
A ton of stuff for it. I mean, they've been making this car forever.
Oh yeah, Beamers. Yeah, they have a ton of stuff for it.
Oh yeah, I gotta get the wheels.
It turned out really good.
It turned out really nice.
Really nice.
200 on the dash. When I speed down the highway, you got it.